What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And if you push play on this, you are now on day 59 of this beginning 5K program. You're doing fantastic. Let's buckle up. All right, like I said, day 59, and it is a rest day, actually. So you can always work out your upper body, you can do some stretching, you can do some rolling out, muscle manipulation, massages, whatever. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to run today. You want to relax those legs, rest them up, and get them ready for tomorrow, because you do have a workout tomorrow, a run tomorrow. But just because you don't have, it's a rest day, you still need to listen to Coach Robin because she has a few words to say, so here she is.
Welcome back. It is Wednesday and it is rest day, and I decided to come back to the beach today because it's just so gorgeous. Chris, you want to show them the blue sky? And the beautiful ocean. So I have a really nice ocean breeze today. I brought some reading material with me. I brought my mask so I can be socially distanced appropriately from everybody. And I'm just going to take it a little easy today. You could do that too, or this girl over here, Chris, you want to show? She's doing some planks. So she's getting in a good core workout, so that's not a bad idea. So maybe you could get outside and do something to just nice easy workout, or just take it easy like me. Whatever you do, I'm sure it'll be great. But I'll see you back here again tomorrow for our 2-mile run again. And have a great day, guys. I'll see you then.
All right. Day 59 is done. I hope you had a nice rest day and you rested up those legs and got them ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's a huge day, day 60 of this beginning 5K program. So you guys are doing amazing. We're really proud, and just make sure you're ready because tomorrow is a workout day. Also, I just want to say, if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll always be notified every time we put up a healthy living video. So hit that bell notification too, so that way you'll be notified. Also, if you really think this is a great program and you know somebody who can benefit from starting this program from day one like you did, make sure you share the program with them, and also show them that day one is coming up on a video that's going to pop up right now. You'll see the whole playlist of all the workouts coming up at the end of this video, and make sure that they go to day one, so that way they can start off safely as opposed to jumping in somewhere in the middle where it won't be as safe. So that's all I had to say, and we will see you all tomorrow again. Big day tomorrow, day 60. See you guys later.